ஸோ என் பேர் மதுமிதா. நான் வந்து ராமச்சந்திரா காலேஜ் போரூர் மெடிக்கல் காலேஜில் படிக்கிறேன். ஸோ நான் இங்கே வந்து முகமது சலீக் காலேஜ்க்கு இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்க்கு வந்து என்பிடிஎல் எக்ஸாம் எழுத வந்திருக்கேன். இது வரைக்கும் நான் வந்து 5 to 6 கோர்ஸ் வந்து எழுதியிருக்கேன். அண்ட் இட் வாஸ் ஆக்சுவலி வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல். அட் த சேம் டைம் ரொம்ப பெரிய எக்ஸ்போஷரே கிடச்சிருக்கு. பிகாஸ் நம்ம எடுக்கிற கோர்ஸ் மட்டும் படிக்கிறது இல்லாமல் நிறைய கோர்சஸ் நம்ம படிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு கிரேட் பிளாட்ஃபார்மாக இருக்குது நெப்டல். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இந்த கோர்ஸ் பற்றி சொல்லணுன்னா நம்ம தெரியாத விஷயம் கூட நிறைய கற்றுக்கலாம் ஆக்சுவலாக. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ எங்களுக்கு வந்து லைவ் டிஸ்கஷன், டவுட் செஷன்ஸ் நிறையவே இருந்திருக்கு. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி அ கிரேட் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் ஓவரால். ஆல்ரவுண்டாக எல்லாமே நம்ம வந்து இங்கே கற்றுக்கலாம். ஸோ இட் வாஸ் ஆக்சுவலி வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபைனலி.
ஐம் பிரேர்னா ஃப்ரம் குருநானக் காலேஜ் வெல்ச்சேரி. நான் வந்து பேசிக் கோர்ஸ் ஆர்னித்தாலஜி கோர்ஸ் தான் எடுத்தேன் நான். ஸோ எனக்கு நார்மலாகவே பேர்ட்ஸ் பற்றி படிக்கணும்னா ரொம்ப ஆசை. ஸோ இந்த கோர்ஸ் மூலிமா எனக்கு நிறைய பேர்ட்ஸ் பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். ஸோ ரொம்ப ஈஸியாகவும் இருந்துச்சு. நிறைய ஐஐடி மும்பை, ஐஐடி கரக்பூர் வந்து நிறைய ப்ரொஃபஸர்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய லெக்சர்ஸ், வீடியோஸ்லாம் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க. ஸோ இன்ட்ராக்ஷனும் நல்லா பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ ஐ வாஸ் வெரி பெனிஃபிட்டட் வித் திஸ்.
I'm Shubha, working as an assistant professor at RMK Engineering College, which is in Chennai. Firstly, I have to thank NPTEL for providing center near to our location. It is the first time I got center nearer to my location. Usually I will get center at Coimbatore Chennai Institute of Technology, so and so. It's too far. We have to come as much earlier from our house and so thank you NPTEL. Please do the same for the upcoming semester also. Then once again I have to say one thing, as past 1.5 years our students as well as we faculty members suffers with respect to our online way of teaching our learning process. During that time also, as well as before that pandemic situation also, this NPTEL play a major role throughout this entire our India. I can say through this world also, because we can enrich our knowledge by learning this NPTEL courses. Again, one more thing, as per the norms of Anna University or whatever other university, we used to go for with the regulation like learning our syllabus finally. But by using this NPTEL courses, we can go for with advanced process of learning materials, and we can enrich our knowledge thanks to NPTEL.
Good morning to all. Myself Shripriya, Assistant Professor from Pratyush Engineering College. Today I have completed the course Internet of Things. Actually, this is coming under my PhD work, so I have choose this course. And from the past 3 years, I am writing many courses like object-oriented analysis and design, OOPS I have written, software testing I have written, cloud computing and big data analytics I have written. It covers all the things. Maximum students who are studying in the real subject, maximum it is getting covering. And also the case studies as well as the scenarios that was given in NPTEL is very useful for the students as well as for the staffs in the teaching area. The videos which was given by the NPTEL was visualized and we are presenting it to the students. It was really welcome from the NPTEL team, and thanks to IIT professor, those who are giving those videos.
Hello, this is Shanmuga Priya from Sri Krishna Arts and Science College, and I'm working as assistant professor there for past 1 year. So this is my second course I have came to write exam here in Chennai branch. So first course is American Literature, which is of 12 weeks, and I both did FDP on it and also the course of 12 weeks, which is given by IIT Madras. So it is very much helpful for me to give a very good basics in American literature, and this is on my 19th century novel about Victorian. 3 novels were deeply done by the person, and apart from these two courses, I also encourage my students. I'm a tutor for first BA English, and they completed effective writing courses. Out of 34, 2 got Elite plus Gold in that. So I also encourage students to do more NPTEL course because it built a very strong resume, and for me too, it gives a very strong base for my field and also for my resume, where I can put under the professional development. I can mention these courses and also the differences they make for the marks successfully completed, Elite plus Gold, Elite plus Silver. All these motivates us as a faculties and also for the students to do more courses. And for the students, they made it as a 4-week course, which is very much easy for them. So they complete the course and getting a certificate kind of enjoyment. And then for us, for the 12 weeks, which is also considered as an FTP, it's really useful for us, where in FDP column also we can fill in that we completed a 12-week course. So thank you so much for this work and continue doing it more. Thank you.
என்னோட பேர் ரேச்சல். நான் சவிதாலேருந்து வரேன். I've taken human behavior and I find this course very beneficial because it's going to help me, you know, predict my patients' motives and their intentions when they come to me. So yeah, that's it.
என் பேர் நித்ய நாராயணன். என்னுடைய காலேஜ் வந்து பாரத் யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஆஃப் இன்ஜினியரிங் தாம்பரத்தில் இருக்குது. நான் என்பிடிஎல் எக்ஸாம் எழுத வந்தேன். எனக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது இந்த என்பிடிஎல் கோர்ஸ். என்னுடைய கோர்ஸ் வந்து ப்ராடக்ட் டிசைன் அண்ட் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங். இந்த கோர்ஸ் படிச்சிங்கன்னா எல்லாேருக்கும் நல்லபடியாக இது வந்தது. எனக்கு நிறைய கெயின் ஆச்சு. ப்ளஸ் நான் அந்த கோர்ஸ் வந்ததுனால எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் என்ன அப்படின்னு நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுது. நிறைய பேர் இன்னும் வாங்க என்பிடிஎல் இது பண்ணிங்க. சில பேர் வந்து இக்னோர் பண்ணுறாங்க, வந்து எக்ஸாம் எழுத மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ எல்லோரும் வந்து எழுதுனா அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு நாலேஜ் கிடைக்கும். ப்ளஸ் எப்படி சொல்கிறது, அவங்க அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு போகலாம். இப்போ இருந்து அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு அவங்களுடைய நாலேஜ் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும். எனக்கு அப்படி தான் ஆச்சு. அதனால்
I'm studying my MSc in University of Madras. This year only I have taken Forest and Management in NPTEL. The course was very good. And from here, I get to know a lot many things since my major is on geography. But apart from that, I am getting to know a lot about the subject which I have taken. And for benefit, it is very beneficial. Apart from gaining knowledge, and doing assignment, if we are doing well, then also we are getting certificate, which will be definitely, it will be helpful in our future, in any interview and all. Definitely it will give a plus point. So it was a good experience. Thank you.
So I'm Dr. A. Manju from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram campus. I have selected the subject Joy of Programming using Python. The exam was very easy, and with the help of this subject, we can able to easily handle the subject for the Python subject for the students.
I'm Sangavi from RMK Engineering College. I have attended NPTEL exam today. My topic is, the exam I attended is on microprocessor and interfacing. And the exam was good. I attended well. Most of the questions were from the assignments which we were attended. And the videos which we saw in NPTEL was very much useful for us to write this exam. And also, we listened those videos. Those videos were not just like YouTube videos. It was in well understandable manner. And of course, this subject is in our semester this time. I'm doing my third year ECE. Now I'm doing the sixth semester. Microprocessor and microcontroller is in our subject. It will be useful for us in our academics too. And we improved a lot by doing this course.
I'm Rekha. I'm working as assistant professor in RMK Engineering College. I have started doing my NPTEL course. It really was very essential to all students as well as faculties because students have to improve their knowledge according to the technologies. So it really essential to us. I am doing the course as Introduction to C Programming, and then the instructor was guide us very useful because I have watched the videos. It really very essential. Thank you for conducting this NPTEL exam.
Hello everyone, I'm Jay Suryan. I'm from third year CC. So I took a course called Programming in Modern C++. So the main reason why I took this course in this year was aimed at both waivering a course in 8th sem, and also I could use this knowledge gained in this course for placements. And the NPTEL courses are, you should be very picky about what you choose so that you can ensure that you can really use it in your future. That's it. Thank you.
So I'm Saranya. Actually, this is the first time I'm writing the exam. I'm from SRM University. I'm writing the exam of data mining. So I have prepared based upon the assignments given. So most of the questions I got from the assignments. What are the concepts? The exams I wrote well. The mathematical portion what they have given is very useful for us because as a teacher, each and every semester I am learning a new course. That is the main benefit of NPTEL. So I feel like I gained some knowledge by writing this exam. Thank you for this opportunity.
I am Dr. Lata from RMK Engineering College. I am the spark of RMK Engineering College. I am writing NPTEL examination for the fourth time. Already I did 4-5 courses. So it makes us to continuous learning. That is very, very important. Even though we have a many hectic schedule, we are spending time to read this, and also it makes to improve our knowledge so that we can transfer our knowledge to the students. That is very, very useful for us. And only thing is the reachability of examination center. You can make some arrangement for the students nearer to colleges. So that will be the one thing. Other than, because many students are interested, only thing they are not able to move to the corresponding center. Otherwise, it's continuous lifelong learning platform to help for the students as well as faculty. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ms. Fahul Anfia. I'm coming from Justice Bashir Ahmed Syed College for Women. So today I have attended a data mining NPTEL course, which is an 8-week course. Previously, I have done 2 NPTEL courses, programming in Java and also programming data structures and algorithms using C. So regarding my course, data mining, the questions were easy. It comprises of both easy and difficult questions. Regarding the discussion forum, in data mining, I didn't feel it was very interactive. The staffs weren't so much interactive compared to the previous other courses. Overall, the course was very informative and it really helped me to improve my knowledge in the field of data mining. Thank you.
I am Dr. Yoganand from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram campus. I am right now, for the past 5 years, I'm doing this NPTEL courses. Each semester, I'll be doing one course. I'm a chemist, so chemistry. So being with that, all the courses are good, and the modules, what they are just allotting to that, everything is fine, and it is just upgrading my knowledge. And moreover, the active sessions are good, even in case of the live sessions, which goes well. And the assessments, what they are giving us, just enlightening our things, like how we can improve our academic things are goes as such, and it's good. We people are really comfortable with this NPTEL courses. Being a chemist, all the things which has been they are alerting to us, everything is complete. Assignments, everything is the level of grade, everything is good. And regarding the test itself, previously it was like whatever the assignments that has been given, the questions will come as such. Now it has been totally different, and we people have to work on it. Like that thing is. So everything is fine.
Actually, this is Kritik Raghav from Tech University. I'm currently pursuing third year of mechanical engineering. Actually, NTPL is like really it is like useful for us, like for gathering some very good knowledge among it, because it's like our core domain. It's like about my core domain is design and thermal. So I have been completed. It's like all about of like 8 to 9 courses in design, and like combinedly in thermal I have been completed about of like 4 to 5 courses. The most interesting courses I had before is like IC engines and like gas turbines. It's like my specified domain is like in IC engines. So I was like I was in a research process of often a hybrid IC engine in our it's like in our representative university. So it's like it's very useful, and it's like only feedback from them is like they can it's like means actually from the NTPL it's like they are doing it's like weekly once live sessions are going on. Actually it can be developed as like a 2 sessions per week. It will be like very, very useful. About the assignments, it's like yeah, it is good, but according to my knowledge, assignments is like they can be means according to my thing, they can separate like 3 levels, and like according to the user, they can choose the beginner or an intermediate or expert level. Because if you do that thing, it will be like if I'm in the expert level of like expert level in a particular domain, if I'm choosing the means if I'm attending the beginner level assignments, that is not useful for us, right? So they can segregate the three stage of assignments and they can proceed. That is like valuable.
So I'm Yuthika. I'm from RMK Engineering College. The course I've chosen is Enhancing Soft Skills and Personality. So it's just a basic outcome of our day-to-day behavior characteristic related questions to that. So this is my first course in NPTEL and it's nice to have this.
Hello, I'm Shreya Sharma and I'm from St. Thomas College of uh, Arts and Science, and I took psychology of stress, well-being, and health. And it was a very interesting course. The professor who was teaching it was very good at his pace, and there was no mistakes or no inconvenience from his side. The only thing that I would suggest would be giving notes that are proper and a book to refer. And then I would say that yes, it was the assignments were also the pace, to the mark, that the lectures was also good enough. Thank you. Yes, it was good enough. Like it exceeded my expectations from the NPTEL. Yes, from psychiatry itself. The booklets, that like you have the book suggestions, right? So for the book suggestions there are only notes that are given. So book suggestions, I would like appreciate if the book suggestions are the published books. That would be helpful. Not transcripts. You're already providing a lot of transcripts. I would suggest the books, like the published books, that would help us to gain more knowledge rather than the lectured videos, because lectures videos themselves are very good enough to get information. So for apart from the lectures, the books, that should be like something more of it.
Hello, my name is Lavina. Actually, I am coming from Chambrabakam Godrej Apartments. Actually, this is the first time I have taken the NPTEL course on enhancing soft skill and personality development. The lectures given by sir was really helpful, and it motivated us actually. And assignments, everything, it's very useful for us to get into the assignments. And the exam is also it's very easy to attend. And the questions that I've got, it was everything was self-realizing, and it's very helpful to develop our life skills also. And I really like the course, and I'm looking forward to take more courses in NPTEL. Yeah, it was good. Actually, we asked many doubts to our lecturer, Ravichandran sir. It was very nice, and he explained about the questions, about the type of pattern questions coming for the exam, and it's really helpful. They are doing very good. Even lecture notes, everything they are giving, and I don't have any type of suggestion right now.
I'm Srinidhi. I'm coming from Vanagaram. I'm studying in Savita College of Allied Health Sciences. My college helped me register this for this examination, and the exam was all easy. Most of it was um, like about ourselves, and it was really easy to answer the questions which were asked. Yeah, it was really interesting. Also in classes, they explained about a lot of things. They really helped us clear all our doubts. They gave us like time and everything.
Hi, my name is Dr. Vaishnavi. I have completed the basic biomedical research cycle 5. It gave me a basic idea about how to go about research, and it introduced me to the new terminology, and how to go about making a protocol, planning the research, the basic requirements of a research, and how to go about it in an ethical way. So it gave me a great insight about how to plan and execute a research. The assignments were good. The study materials were also very good. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shivakumar from Loyola Institute of Technology. About the NPTEL exam, the preparation was very useful for our career, as well as for the training based, industrial based training. And the assignments given were easy when we listen the video fully and listen all the chapters. And in exam point of view, we cannot depend totally on assignments. About 20 to 30% question came say from the assignments. Other questions came where we have to answer, and the assignment questions were full of multiple choices. But whereas the question here was not multiple choice, they asked the questions directly, which was difficult in today's exam. Already I've written 2 to 3 exams in NPTEL and it already cleared that. Actually, I'm doing a research. I'm a research scholar, so I'm working on electrical vehicles. So my target is whatever subject related with the electrical vehicle. Yes, everything is good with NPTEL, so no suggestion from my side.
Yeah, my name is myself Vishwajit. I am from Chennai, and I am a student currently pursuing third year ECE graduate in RMD Engineering College. So far, I have completed near 3 courses in NPTEL and making on further for future enhancement courses. And every assignments and the course related details are being sent to me throughout the mail, and the NPTEL online platform is being very good when compared with other self-paced learning networks. And
this is Silambarasi from Mahalakshmi Women's College of Arts and Science, working as assistant professor. So today I written the NPTEL exam on leadership effectiveness. So the course was very nice, and it was the discussion forum was good, and everything is neatly arranged in the institution also. It was good, very good. Thank you.
என் பேர் வருண்ராஜ். நான் சிஐடிலேருந்து வந்திருக்கேன். எனக்கு வந்து என்பிடெல் வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு செமையாக. நான் வந்து பேசிக் கேல்குலஸ்ன்ற கோர்ஸ் எடுத்து பண்ணியிருக்கேன். என் கோர்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. நான் லைவ் செஷன்லாம் நிறைய அட்டன் பண்ணேன். அது கூட நல்லா தான் இருந்துச்சு. நிறைய டவுட்லாம் கேட்டேன். ஸோ என்பிடெல் வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. ஃப்யூச்சரில் நான் இன்னும் ரெண்டு கோர்ஸ் ஒவ்வொரு இயர் பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கேன். எனக்கு பிடிச்ச கோர்சஸ் பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கேன். ஸோ எல்லோரும் இந்த மாதிரி என்பிடெல்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்கள், நல்லா இருங்க.
Yeah, myself and Sabresh, I'm coming from Patagram. நான் படிக்கிற காலேஜ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிஜி வைஷ்ணவ் காலேஜ் எம்எஸ்சி செகண்ட் இயர் படிச்சுட்ருக்கேன். நான் ஆக்சுவலி 3 கோர்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இப்போ வந்து தேர்ட் கோர்ஸ் ஆன்கோயிங். இப்போ நான் எழுதின எக்ஸாம் தேர்ட் கோர்ஸஸ் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்கல் மெக்கானிக்ஸ் எழுதியிருக்கேன். பட் கோர்ஸ் இஸ் வெரி டஃப். பட் நம்ம நோட்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம கூகுள் பண்ணி ரெஃபர் பண்ணி எழுதுகிற மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஆன்சர்ஸும் அப்படியே தேட வேண்டியதாக இருக்குது. பட் அவங்க வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து நம்மளுக்கு காம்ப்ளிகேட்டாக புரிஞ்சு அது படிக்க முடியுமா அப்படின்னு தெரியல. அதுவும் மற்ற சப்ஜெக்ட்னா ஓகே, ரிலேட்டட் டு ஃபிசிக்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டாட்ஸ்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப டஃப்பாக இருக்க சப்ஜெக்ட் அது வந்து இன்னும் அவங்க நல்லா நோட்ஸ்லாம் கொடுத்து அந்த மாதிரி வீடியோட முடிக்காமல் நோட்ஸ்லாம் கொடுத்து நல்லா பண்ணாங்கன்னா இன்னும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் நான் ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணுறேன். அது இப்போ மற்ற சப்ஜெக்ட்லாம் கம்பேர் பண்ணால் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். பட் வென் கம் டு ஃபிசிக்ஸ் ஸ்டாட்ஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப டஃப்பான சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸு. ஸோ அதனால் வந்து நம்ம எல்லாமே கூகுள்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி கூகுளில் தேடினா கூட ஆன்சர் சிலதெல்லாம் கிடைக்க மாட்டுது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி டஃப்பாக இருக்கிறதுனால ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப இன்னும் கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. ஸோ சஜஷன்ஸ் அதுதான் வீடியோஸோட நிறுத்திக்க வேணாம். நோட்ஸ் வந்து அவங்க இன்னும் நோட்ஸ் பை எப்படின்னா சாஃப்ட் காப்பி லைக் அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணால், ஆன்லைன்லேயே ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணால், வெப்சைட்டில் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணால் இன்னும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு. அதுதான்.
Hello, my name is Dr. Zonunsangi Kyangte. I'm an MPH student from NIE in ICMR. I joined this MPH course last year in July 2021. And then I learned it was mandatory to do this NPTEL. And it's a very resourceful teaching, which is very useful, especially for epidemiologists when it comes to research. And I have done only this one certificate exam, so I greatly benefit a lot. Though, yes, it's a good. Okay, actually, I felt that all the basics are covered. So, as far as the course is concerned, this is okay, good. At the currently, this is good. It's a good course. I don't have further suggestion. Like I'm okay with whatever is there. Still I'm a student. Let's see. But in future I will definitely make use of whatever that we have learned from this course. So the target, and I am going to do a research program evaluation and a dissertation in the coming year. So hopefully, I hope and I know that this is going to be useful. Whatever I have learned from NPTEL. Thank you.
A very happy evening to all. This is Bharani Dharan. I am an assistant professor in the new college and a research scholar of Wales University, Pallavaram. Actually, we have completed 2 exams successfully. I took 2 exams, basically deep learning yesterday, and today I wrote the cloud computing. Both the exams I done very well. I hope for the best. From the beginning, I hope from helping all the sessions, video sessions given by the professors with the demonstration was very much excellent. Also, each week they used to keep that particular forum discussion, which helped a lot, to take the exams in the right way. And also, assignments they have given. They have given the right solutions, as well as instantly they are releasing the solutions, which it has cleared our doubts every now and then. So thanks to the NPTEL. The NPTEL course actually it helps the students, researchers, as well as the faculty community to keep updated in the also in the disruptive technologies, and also for the enhancement learning virtually. So in the near future, I hope the NPTEL will give a lot of new courses, the two new technologies to help the India to form better. India to form better, I hope so. Thank you to NPTEL. Thanks a lot for the professors. Have a great time and have a great year.
Well, I am Harsha and I am from VIT Chennai, and I have done 2 courses in NPTEL. One was yesterday with entrepreneurship, and today one with psychology. I think the assignments are very nice and thorough, and today also the questions were from assignment and from whatever course we did. It was a nice experience.
Yeah, I'm Muhammed Idris, studying in Savita Medical College. I'm doing my paramedic in that, and this is my first course in NPTEL. And the course was important and useful for me to improve my soft skill. So I will try next course in NPTEL to improve my knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, I'm OST from IT department. I'm from Chennai, Sri Perambuttur. I'm studying in Savita College. So NPTEL, it helps me to study and learn lot of things. I have taken Java, programming in Java, and NPTEL taught me a lot of things which I do not know already, and it was a good journey. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Matthew from Savita Engineering College. I have done one NPTEL courses in the NPTEL platform. Now I have written my exam and coming from exam center. This is the first time I am writing, because I was doing it is a 12-week course. I was doing my courses. It is for my job. It is one of the subject in my curriculum. Yeah, we have to get pass and then we have to give certificate. Then only we are able to get degree certificate in our college. It is mandatory to get a degree, and then it is most useful for me for my studies also. Yes, assignments are interesting, but in the exam center, the question the asking is it is. 1 or 2 questions only came from the assignment. Others and all we have to think and write. It is tough to write the exam. Please give the question what we have done or in the assignment. Please give that more to get pass, because the questions which are given that is now 1 or 2 questions only it is came. Other than that we have to think and write not related, and then it is very tough.
Hi, I'm Dr. Navneet Selvan. I'm a clinical pharmacologist, now working as an assistant professor with ACS Medical College. So I have done my basic course in biomedical research, as it is mandatory with the NMC. It is very useful for the upcoming researchers, and the medical education should focus more on research, and this course and NPTEL is doing a great work with providing such courses, and as it is mandatory, I urge all the medical staff to pursue this course and also enroll for other courses with NPTEL, like your health research fundamentals and ethics. It will really help you in your research journey. Thank you.
My name is M. Papita, and I am a faculty assistant professor working in Chennai Institute of Technology, Chennai. And I took the course Principles of Communication Systems 1 from IIT Kanpur. And I attended a 12-week course, and actually it was very super. Why? Because I completed the exam. I entered at I think it's 210 or something, and I completed fast. And the live sessions were extremely helpful for us to solve all the problems So today I took only a little bit of time to recall all the questions and answers. So the ma'am who took the live sessions were extremely, she's very good, and weekly we had a great time in learning, and I attended the live sessions at 7 to 8, and also they posted the same video for all the weeks. So it was quite helpful for us, and whatever the doubts we asked, she clarified every time without any hesitation. So because of that, ma'am, I'm very thankful to her. I completed all the questions successfully. I hope maybe I'll be getting elite gold also. So I think students may get benefited, and we the staff members also very helpful to recall all the concepts when we learn these kinds of IIT, that is NPTEL course. So this is the first time I just registered, and I started writing exam. The first time experience itself is very good, and I think that students should all follow this. So it is very helpful for us to learn much more the deep concepts for the subject. Yes, sure. I like to do it because it is upgrading our knowledge always. So my aim is also like till lifelong. I like to learn always. So learning is a continuous process. So I will just continue with NPTEL because they are extremely doing well. Why? Because they're getting the feedback, and the feedback has been updated. So we can able to solve the answers if we find anything difficult. I don't know that even that video conference, they are very friendly. I would like to thank that ma'am extremely. So whenever I used to ask the doubt, she used to clarify very clearly. So thanks a lot.
Okay, my name is Peer Muhammed. I am coming from Bundamalli, working the a private export company. I have 20 years in the professional experience. This course I am attending right from the beginning. I think NPTEL, Ministry of Government of India, Ministry of Human Resources started that 2014. I attended the 2014 also. Still now, I have completed 5 courses. Because of improving and updating my the professional knowledge, that is very useful to us, like us people like us working people. Because of this conducting by the NPTEL tie up with the IIT, Indian Institute of Technologies, the professors also very good. They are the sound knowledge of this. They are very genius of the subject. So their presentation is also very useful. Their information, lot of videos, what is happening in the world, what is happening around us. They are updating everything in the course. But my suggestion is the course still improvement. Methodology is we have to suggest improvement. Students is okay, but working people is very difficult to attend this because assignment time is very limited. They are providing very limited. Before, right from the beginning, the examination time, course completion limit is 2 weeks. They will provide a gap, but now no gap is there. Some courses no gap. This is very difficult for us. So I suggest and request the Ministry of Human Resources and NPTEL IIT also please provide the examination time gap to a little bit more. For example, course completion is today. It will take. We will if they provide 3 weeks or 4 weeks or 1 month or 2 weeks is enough. The time to then only we have to prepare the exam well. So then another suggestion now the reduce the minimum pass percentage is 30 marks for 75. So they have to reconsider it. That's really useful for the working professionals. Students, okay, regular students, they are dedicated to study. That's a part of. But in the our side, little bit difficulties. So as a working professor, my humble request and suggestion is all the professionals, all the working professionals to the NPTEL. This is a very good initiative of the Ministry of Human Resources. So it will continue. So little bit methodological changes needed. This is my request only. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Preeti Meena. Actually, I'm currently pursuing third year biotechnology. I have completed the plant development by just have finished my course. It is a 4-week course. I faced difficulty in completing the course within a week because of the long period of the course. I think this particular course is not cannot be completed in 4 weeks because The content was a huge content, but it was given like a 40-50 minutes videos of around 4 to 5 videos within a week. So it was difficult for me, not only for me, but also for my friends and my peoples to complete those courses within a period. So kindly consider it. And otherwise, the course content was good, and everything was good. And thank you.
My name is Safal. I'm from Kerala. I'm doing my mechatronics engineering and AVIT. It's near Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu. Okay, this is my second course. First, I did a course in air pollution, and this was about semiconductor devices. It was a good one. The main thing about NPTEL is we could learn something which is not taught in our college, which is different from our course. We can do anything which we are interested in. So it's a good one, and this course have much value than other online courses. So yeah, I prefer NPTEL other than these Coursera and all. And this certificate do have a good value because my brother went to an interview with this NPTEL, and those people over there were happy with this certificate of NPTEL. So that's why I'm here. Yeah, I'm planning to do few.
My name is Kukku Yusuf. I came to know about NPTEL from one of my friends. This is my third course I'm doing. I love studied. I love to study through this forum because all the lectures are pre-recorded and the staffs are really clear of what they are teaching. And assignments are also really challenging and very different from what my college used to teach. I'm doing courses regarding data science. It has really helped me a lot. It also helped me to understand college concepts very easily. I'm planning to do 3 or 4 courses more, and everything is so fair, and I like to do this a little more courses through NPTEL. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Padmini. I'm working as a professor in Thiruvallur Medical College anesthesiology department. I have taken up the biomedical research exam. Okay, from the initial stage itself, I was getting regular instructions through the Gmail, how to apply, how to take up the classes, basic classes. And also I got an email regarding the registration and all. The process was very easy. I was able to do even between my busy schedule, I was able to complete all the procedures. I have taken up 2 days leave to study for the exam, and the materials they gave was very nice, very informative, and it was very useful. But just by studying those material itself, I think I have done my exam in a very nice manner. I think I'm quite sure that I'll clear the exams.
I'm Dr. Lata Maheshwari. I'm working in RMK Engineering College. I'm coming from Chennai, Ainavaram, that is near Purushavakkam. And I have completed so far 6 courses. The assignments were much useful, and the courses much useful to me to enrich my knowledge. Okay, whatever I need to teach, that particular course I'll be selecting it, and I'll be preparing for that semester. Okay, every semester I'll be doing one course. It is very helpful to enrich my career. No, so far no. For that I don't have time because during working hour it has been arranged. That's why it is not possible for me. Yes, every semester I am doing it. For FTP, especially faculty development program, I am doing. Actually, videos are if they make some interactive videos, that will be useful. Okay, that is watching the video, we are not finding it time. Okay, the sessions, if it is more of interactive sessions, then and there we will be able to clarify our doubts. That's it. Thank you.
My name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am coming from Chennai only. Okay, I am just doing this NPTEL course for my PhD research work, coursework. Okay, discussion forum is very interesting and it's very useful, but informative. That is our suggestion is that regarding it is very suitable to just set the eligibility criteria for passing the NPTEL exam can be as earlier as possible. That is the previous method. That's my suggestion, because in order to motivate more students to study, because since it is an IIT coursework, but we are just learning so much of information from it. But we feel somewhat a little difficult, because we are studying the same paper again. In order to boost up our knowledge only, we are just studying these courses. But again, we are feeling it to be very hectic to just pass. But we are just doing our level best to get assignment marks, all these things. But the complexity of passing that is clearing the exam, we feel it's somewhat difficult. So we need some sort of relaxation. That's my expectation. That's left your part.
I'm Sandhya Lakshmi. I'm coming from Ambattur. I have taken one course, Feminism, Concepts and Theories. The paper is really very vast and very huge with a lot of concepts and theories, and the resource person was very good. But I have a small concern regarding the exams, external exam, because all through the internal exam we had lot of objective type questions and we never had a practice of descriptive type. But in the external exam there were many descriptive type and less of objective type, and we had only 17 questions on the whole to answer. So this will pose a little difficult to the students if they take up. Okay for the faculty members or the teachers, but for the students, the external paper will be definitely difficult. She is very good. She has given a very in-depth understanding of the concepts and theories. Everything, every week it was enriching, and the learning experience was wonderful. The only concern is the external exam where the questions were very less in number. Definitely, I'll be doing. Last time I did 2 courses, but this time I had only 1 course. But definitely, I'll be doing more courses. Thank you. Thank you.